Mahal?
Belat!
Mahal?
Belat!
Mahal?
Belat!
Mahal?
Belat!
Eto naman na, KJ. O bahala ka. Hanggat di mo sinasabing mahal dito yung matatapos dito.
Mahal!
Ayan! Break time!
Spaghetti.
Boys,
Gusto niyo ng spaghetti?
Are you competing with me?
Are you threatened?
Bring it on.
My spaghetti has sauce made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountains of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidants, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antibiotic with glutathione and silymarin extract with ginkgo biloba E. But wait, there's more. Chicken lollipops made with bouncy fresh spring chicken deep fried in olive oil.
It's all that you have? Chicken lollipops? Like what the heck? I have some dessert that I concocted.
Concocted?
Oh yes! It's coconut cream with glutinous rice ball and fresh ripe junk fruit.
Chusera, ginataang bino-bino lang to, no? Pinapakain pag mahal na araw sa pabasa. Like, ew, so jologs.
How dare you?
How dare you daring me like a Dairy Queen?
I'm not there. I'm here. Duh.
Duh.
Alam mo bang i-spell ang Switzerland?
Oo, Switzerland. S-W-E-E-T.
Ay, wrong, bestie. Very, very wrong. Isa lang ang I. Amo na, bakit tayo magbabakasyon sa isang bansa hindi naman natin kaya i-spell?
Ay, ikaw. Alam mo ba capital ng Switzerland?
Siyempre! Hindi.
5, 6, 7. Si Nena ay baby pa. Ang sabi niya ay Si Nena ay high school na. Ang sabi niya ay Si Nena ay dalaga na. Ang sabi niya ay yes. Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted, dapat dekalidad. Oh, Unilab yan. Oh, Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, siguraduhin mo na. Unilab yan. Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, siguraduhin mo na. Unilab yan. Unilab yan.
Trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan.
Sarap ba ang full tank?
Masarap. Magaling. Malinamnam.
Maraming salamat. Kapon ka. Anyong hasayo. Domo arigato gozaimaste. Daghang salamat sa wadika. Kamsamida. Waka waka. K thanks bye. Muawa chop chop. Muahang.